Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix the can't sign into Xbox One or Series X S account error.
Fix 1. Check Xbox Live Service status. Step 1. Open a web browser on your PC or phone. Step 2. Go to the Xbox Live status page. Step 3. Check if any Xbox services are down, especially sign in or account and profile. Step 4. If services are down, wait until Microsoft resolves the issue, then try signing in again. Fix 2. Restart your console. Step 1. Press and hold the Xbox button on your console for 10 seconds until it powers off. Step 2. Unplug the power cable for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Step 3. Plug it back in and turn on the console. Step 4. Try signing in to your account again. Fix 3. Check your internet connection. Step 1. Go to Settings, Network Settings. Step 2. Select Test Network Connection. Step 3. If there's an issue, restart your router or modem. Step 4. Try a wired connection if Wi-Fi keeps failing. Fix 4. Remove and re-add your Xbox account. Step 1. Press the Xbox button, Profile and System, Settings, Account, Remove Accounts. Step 2. Select your account and confirm removal. Step 3. Restart the console. Step 4. Press the Xbox button, sign in, add new, enter your account credentials. Fix 5. Clear Xbox cache. Step 1. Power off the console completely. Step 2. Unplug the power cable from the console for 2 minutes. Step 3. Plug it back in and turn on the console. Step 4. Try signing in again. Fix 6. Update your console. Step 1. Press the Xbox button, Profile and System, Settings, System, Updates. Step 2. If an update is available, select Update Console. Step 3. After updating, restart and try signing in.